Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials, where we show you the simple how-to for your everyday tech and more. In today's video, we are going to see how to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. First thing is to open your Instagram app. After opening the app, now go to your profile. In order to do that, tap on the profile icon that you can see on the bottom right corner right here. After tapping on the option, now tap on settings, for which you have to tap on the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner right here. After tapping on the option, what you're going to do is now tap on Account Center. After doing so, here you can see the option of password and security. Tap on it. And then finally, you can see the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on it. And now choose the account that you want to turn off your two-factor authentication off. And now here you can see there is authentication app additional method given under how to get login code, and under the add a backup method you can see SMS or WhatsApp. So if you have set up your authentication factor through SMS or WhatsApp, the SMS or WhatsApp option will be under how to get the login code. But since I have set up my authentication through app, the authentication app is under the how to get login codes. So in order to disable authentication, simply just tap on the option authentication app. Here you can see authentication app is enabled right now. In order to disable it, simply just tap on it. Now here you can see this pop off where you have to tap on turn off. And just like this, now you have turned off your authentication on Instagram. And you can see a mail notification is also sent to you by Instagram in order to notify you that your authentication has been turned off. Quite easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.